Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain.hunting.blonde, and today I am bringing to you guys a reveal video. So this is a reveal of a bag, again, that I have had for a while. I have not yet used it, definitely because of quarantine, but I am thinking of using it to do a very exciting grocery store trip, because that's kind of the only place I go is to the grocery store once a week on Saturdays. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the reveal. It was in this Senreve dust bag. The size of this dust bag is a little misleading because it is very big, and the bag is not very big. So the bag I'm revealing to you guys is my Senreve belt bag. And as you can see, literally, I still have like the security tag attached. This is in the chestnut color. It is in their typical leather, which is more of a textured leather, but as you know, I don't like Saffiano, and to me, it does not feel like a Saffiano leather. It's much more luxurious feeling than this. This is my third Senreve bag. I have bought all three. I have not been gifted any of them. I'm not at all affiliated in any way with Senreve, even though I do really like their bags. I am just a consumer and a purchaser of their pieces. So let's get into the details of this bag. It has the very traditional Senreve look and clasp. This is their traditional clasp that is very well known from their Maestro bag, which I do have a Maestro bag. This bag has two different ways to wear it, and the two different ways to wear it I ended up getting because I bought it during a promotion, and you'll see when I show you the other strap. So this is the first strap. This is the actual belt strap. It does have a gold hardware, and it is something that I didn't actually buy to wear as a belt. I bought it to wear more crossbody, so I really appreciate how adjustable it is. It is the same leather as the exterior, which is very durable. And then the other strap I have is this beautiful gold chain strap that I got because I bought it during a promotion. And when you buy it, a lot of times during a promotion, they'll have, for the belt bag, that you get a free strap. I can't remember how much this chain costs. I think it's $75 or $100 if you're not getting it during a promotion. But Senreve does have a lot of good promotions, so I would say wait and keep your eyes peeled for one of those. This bag has the very typical Senreve blue interior. It is like a micro suede, and it does have, which I liked a lot, a little bit of organization for a bag that is so small. So it does have two card slots. Let's see, yeah, there we go. Two card slots on the front that are in the same sort of leather. And then it does have a back zip pocket, which for such a little bag is really nice. As you guys can see, this bag is not very thick, but I'm gonna show you what does fit in this bag. I initially, when I ordered it, oh, and I forgot to say, there is this front pocket also as well that it makes up this shape. When I initially ordered this bag, they actually sent me the wrong bag, and they sent me it in the Dragon leather, which is more of like a mock croc. I'm not the biggest fan of mock croc because I do not like the patent leather look that it gets to it. I love the idea of mock croc, and I love a matte mock croc, but it becomes too patent leathery to me a lot of times, and I just know I'm not a patent leather person. So this bag can be worn with the belt on the back in these loops, or it can be worn with the chain more through these loops. Like I said, I will be wearing it more as a crossbody bag, or even you can actually wear it as a shoulder bag with the chain. I'm just not a true belt bag person, like someone who loves a true belt bag. So let's go over what fits in here. First, we have my 11 Pro. This is not the Max, just the normal Pro. As you guys will see, with no problem, this guy's going to fit in here. I am going to put him more towards the front of the bag, but it can easily fit back, front, no issue. Definitely could get a Max in here. Then I am going to put in a card holder. So this is my Calvi card holder. I do normally use this for business cards, but you could definitely use it for, any sort of credit cards. It fits every sort of card. The Bastia does not fit credit cards, but the Calvi does. So I'm going to put the Calvi in here. I personally wouldn't put any cards in these front slots because I am not a walk person, and I know that if I put cards in there, I'd forget they were in there and then freak out when I went to pay and think I was missing things, or leave them in there for a long time and then be freaking out looking for my credit card. So I will not be taking out my credit cards and putting them in those slots, but if you're good with that sort of stuff, that's really nice, and that can basically eliminate a wallet. Next, I'm going to put in my Bastia coin purse. So like I said, this is for coins. It does not hold credit cards. The Calvi is the right shape and does hold credit cards. Currently, we have all three. I'm actually going to stand the Calvi up so it takes up less room. So this is my current situation. Phone, Calvi, Bastia. Clearly still lots of room. So we're going to put some more in there. This is a very, very old, my very first, and have not gotten rid of it, Louis Vuitton clay. It currently has headphones in it. I do have a newer version that I've not used yet because I figured I'd use this until it dies. So I'm going to put this in here as well with my phone. I'm going to put it more in front of my phone. Perfect. So as you guys can see, still have a lot of space in there. So I'm going to show you sunglasses. So not the sunglasses in this giant case. This is a Karen Walker case. It is very thick. It's basically thicker than the bag. But I would be willing to take them out and put them on my bag. The Karen Walker case also did come with a soft case, so I would put these in their soft case to put them in the bag. But I would take my sunglasses and put them right on top. So now we have everything in here. Sunglasses, clay, Bastia, Calvi, phone. We are just going to close it, which is a little bit of an endeavor with all these bags because you have to slide this through and then like kind of push it down. And then eventually it's a little hard to do one-handed. You hit the clasp. I think this might be because I don't have my sunglasses. They kind of slid down a little bit. You can see closed, has a lot in there. There's still room, definitely. It is just a smaller bag. It kind of reminds me of the size of the Gucci Ophidia belt bag, which is a good size belt bag, but again, is not going to be your like Louis Vuitton bum bag. But I'm very impressed with all the stuff that fits in it. Honestly, I wouldn't even put that much stuff in there because I don't think it needs it. But very beautiful bag. It's a very good price point. I'm not sure if I said it retails for $395, which is a really good price point, I think. I know that some people sometimes have complaints that bags, especially Senreve's bags, can seem a little pricey, but I think they're really good quality. I would say that this is my second favorite out of the three bags I have, and I am going to do a Senreve collection, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'll let you know how it wears, and if you want to see more of like how I style it and all that, please make sure to follow me on Instagram because I am not good at getting mod shots up in these videos. I live in Silicon Valley, I work in the tech industry, and I'm still not the best with YouTube videos and editing them and all of that. So if you like to see more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, which is about twice a week. If you want to see how I style my bags, including this little baby, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, my blog, and Facebook, all of which are linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.